Hello everyone. So today we will see how we can install Jenkins in EC2 instances using Terraform. So without wasting time, let's explain what this code is doing. So first of all, we need we need some variables, okay, like AWS region, VPS ID, our key name, okay. So this is our variables. For me, I choose to work with a US West 2, and this is my VPS ID, okay. Next, we will set up some security groups, okay. So this is our security group. So for me, to access our Jenkins, we will use this port, okay, and we will allow every address IP to access our Jenkins, okay. Same for SSH, we will use this port, okay, and we will allow every address IP to access our SSH. For tags, I will name it Jenkins SG. Next, we will set up AWS AMI. So AMI is Amazon Machine Image. So for me, I will choose to work with Amazon Linux. There is a lot of images like Ubuntu, macOS, Windows. So for me, I will work work with Amazon Linux. Okay. Next, we will set up some IAM rule. So IAM rule is Identity Access Management. So this IAM rule, we will use it to access our cluster, our Kubernetes cluster. Okay. I will allow admin permissions. And for this IAM rule also we will use it for our EC2 instance, and also I will allow admin permissions. And finally, this is our how we can set up our instance. So this is our AMI. This is our instance type. So we choose to work with T2 xlarg. This is our key name. Okay. Our security groups and user data. So this user data, we will use it to install Jenkins. This is our bash code. So this is just some commands to install Jenkins and Docker. Okay. You can find it in my GitHub.